This is a guide of how to buy, sell, and make money on the Nexo platform with your cryptocurrency and hard-earned cash. Let's get straight into the video. Firstly, to access Nexo, you can either do this through their website at nexo.io, or you can go to the App Store and download the Nexo app, and then make sure you sign up for an account, fill out all your information carefully, go through all the verification checks, and now we're good to go. If you want to earn some free Bitcoin along the way, if you use my link in the description below, as long as you deposit $100 onto the platform, we'll both get $10 each. What's not to like about free money? Now, first things first, we're going to need to deposit some money onto the platform. So Nexo currently accepts either Great British Pounds, US dollars, or Euros. Choose what's relevant to you. Follow the steps, really nice and simple, and make a bank transfer or whatever you need to do to get money into your account. Very simply, you go to the wallet section, choose top up, follow those instructions, and then as soon as that transaction is complete, you'll get an email and a notification on the app itself saying that the funds are available for you in your account. With your funds, you can do two different kinds of things. Now, firstly, you can go and buy cryptocurrency. So very simply, you need to go over to the exchange section of the app or the exchange section of the website, choose the currency that you want to buy. So for example, if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, choose the currency you want to buy it from. For example, if you just deposited US dollars or Euros, for example, choose that, preview the transaction, and then hit confirm, and then you're good to go. Secondly, if you want to do nothing at all apart from earn interest on your money, well, congratulations, you're already earning interest. Interest is paid daily into your account on that flex rate, and that rate is based on the percentage for the whole year. So if you keep your money in that account for an entire year, then you'll make 6, 7, 8% depending on the currency. If you want to earn more money than the flex rate, then you need to do a couple of different things. Firstly, to earn an additional 2%, you need to make sure that you get paid out in Nexo token for your interest. You can do this in a couple of different ways. If you go to the profile section, you can make sure that you set yourself up as Nexo as a default payment, or in the mobile application, you can do that in this section here. Secondly, you can create fixed terms from between 1 and 12 months, which means that you're locking your crypto or money away for a longer period of time in order to get some more interest. If you were going to have your money in this platform anyway for 3, 6, 12 months, or your cryptocurrency for that period of time, why not? And you can earn a little bit of extra money, but you can't touch it during that time. This is very simple to do. Once you're inside your wallet, go to fixed terms, create the fixed term, choose how much you want to put into that fixed term, and then click go, and you're good to go. Secondly, if you want to move crypto into the platform, that's also really easy to do as well. Just go to the wallet section of the crypto that you want to deposit, choose top up, and then you've got a couple of options here. So you can copy your entire wallet address, or you can also create a QR code and then make sure you use that for the platform that you're about to deposit. Make sure you get this part right, otherwise you'll be sending it to some random dude's wallet and you probably won't get your money back. And one final thing you can do on the platform is do swaps. So rather than having to sell your Bitcoin or sell your Ethereum for cash and then buy something else, you can directly swap your cryptocurrency for something you wanted anyway. So for example, you could swap your Bitcoin for Ethereum, you could swap your Ethereum for Nexo. Really simple to do. Just go to the exchange section and then choose swap. And one of the unique parts of the Nexo platform is once you've actually put your cryptocurrency in there, you can actually borrow money as a loan based on that cryptocurrency amount. So on the Nexo platform, you'll see this as the credit line, and it's effectively leveraged 2 to 1. So for example, if you deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin onto the account, you'll be allowed to leverage and borrow up to $500. There's no credit checks, no formal process or anything like that. Check the rates you're on. The rates will depend on what level of Nexo membership you have, and everything's done daily. So just make sure you understand what you're getting into here. And that's everything you need to know on the Nexo platform in just a few short minutes. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, drop me a big like. Any questions, let me know in the description below, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck.